운전면허증 딴 지 10년이나 되었으면 이 정도는 식은 죽 먹기지.
아저씨, 지난번에는 미안. 이번에는 내 차로 백미러 사고가 나버렸어.
지난번엔 내 차 가지고 사고를 내더니 이번에도 또 그랬니?
이번에는 제 차 백미러가 파손되었어요.
걱정 마세요. 항상 좁은 지하주차장 내리막은 조심하셔야 합니다. 오늘 소개드릴 영상은 피아트 500X 사이드미러 교체 영상입니다. 그럼 보시죠.
Hi guys, today in the workshop we have this 2016 Fiat 500X with an issue with its wing mirror. As you can see, this wing mirror has been in an accident and it's been put back together, just held in place with duct tape. So we're going to have to take this off and replace it with a new one. Now what's annoying about this is that the bolts that actually hold the wing mirror in place are nice and easy to get to. You can get them from the exterior of the car. There's a little plastic cover that comes off of the base. But on this particular car, there is a wiring loom that goes through the actual door and it connects inside behind the door card. So we have to take off the door card in order to replace the mirror. So with the door open, first thing that we're going to want to do is take off this plastic trim. So using a trim tool, you can just prise it gently out from where it sits. That comes right out. So once this cover is off, you can see a 5 Allen key in there. So just using that. And loosen this one off. Next, we want to get this rubber little panel off of the bottom of this little cubby hole because there's another Allen key underneath there. So using a little pick, you can lift that up. And there's your other 5mm Allen key. Just loosen this off. So once you have both Allen keys out, further down, just underneath here, next to the light, is a little Phillips head screw. So once that Phillips is out from underneath, follow that up, and you can see these two little pieces of trim that using a flat edge should be able to prise out. So I've managed that one with a pick. Again, you've got to be really careful that you don't damage these. That's the second one. So once these little covers are off, you'll be able to see another Phillips head screw in each of them. So just there and just in there. So once you've got all of them off, you can try and pull this panel away from the door. There's clips in certain areas around the outer rim of the door, some in the middle as well, where they will have to be released, and this can be quite tight. As long as you can release a little bit of the pressure from the side, you might be able to get a trim tool in there to help lever it away. You'll be able to start to pull the rest of them. Once the door is fairly insecure, the top is on like a little hook, so so you want to lift it up slightly to bring it out. So when you're lifting up the door, you want to pull it up and over. You don't want to stretch it too far because you've got the pieces of the wiring loom that are holding on to some of the switches down there, and you have the cables going to the door handle. But just here, this yellow tab, this is the wiring that is for the wing mirror. So we're going to have to undo this and then we can unbolt that from the other side. So these wires, I'll just pinch that clip there, just to free them up a little bit. Might be easier if you use the pick just to release the tab. So there's one, and there's the other one. So now this little bang, and separate that. You may as well tuck that inside so it doesn't catch when you try and pull the mirror out. So let's take off this duct tape. So looking at it from the side, we've got one there and one there. Okay, so we're free. There we go. So with the replacement mirror, what we need to do is feed the wiring loom through these holes, the different parts of the panel inside the door, so it goes through that gap the other side. So taking the new mirror, careful you don't catch the plugs on any part of the metal. And just place that through. There's little cutouts here where these little tabs will line up with to make sure that you're in the correct place. That's nice and secure. Now there's a little plastic cover that wasn't on the old one, but it is inside the car, and we just need to pop back into place here. So this plastic piece, you'll see, has got little teeth on it where it needs to sit and grab into there, and these clips then will just pop on. So seat them first, so it's from bottom to top, and then just push it till it goes all the way in, and it'll click into place. Same goes for the plastic backing. You can see the clips there fit towards the mirror, so it goes from the outside in. So you want to be very gentle with the clips. You want to make sure that all of the clips are in line, because sometimes you'll get the top to click in and the bottom won't be in line. There you go. Take off the sticker. So now it's just the inside again.
시청해주셔서 감사합니다. 도움되셨다면 구독, 좋아요, 알람 설정까지 부탁드려요. 안녕.